Hello students, welcome. Dear students, today we are going to learn addition of algebraic expression. Okay, we are already start algebraic expression and operations on them. Now addition of algebraic expression. Here students, there are two uh, subtopics. Say one is addition of monomial and addition of binomial expressions. Okay, monomial, just look here. For example, I write here one monomial 5a plus 3a. So 5a is a monomial that we learn: monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. Okay, so 5a plus 3a. 5a is a monomial and 3 also monomial. So how I have to add? When we have to add this, only we have to add the coefficient. Only we have to add the coefficient, means the number is equal to 5 plus 3 and a. 5 plus 3, 8a. So answer we got 8a. Now students, here on this there are no examples given in our problem practice set number 33. Okay, so in practice set number 33, the examples are based on addition of binomial expression, means we have to add binomials. Now see students, when we have to add the binomials, first what we have to do, we have to add the like terms. Okay, and then we have to solve. So like terms I explain you. Now here I wrote two examples, so we will see this. Just keep in mind, when we have to add monomial, that time only you have to add the coefficient. Okay, now here I wrote that a. So a only one time you have to take in addition and subtraction also. Now here 7x plus 5y plus 3x plus 2y. So these are the binomials. We have to add this. So now, as I told you, we have to look where are the like terms. Like terms is matching. Boys and means instead of girls, boys are more conscious about this matching dress, matching pant, and what shoes and what like. So matching means like term. So look here, 7x, 3x, then 5y and 2y, y, x. So these are 7x and 3x are the like terms, and 5y and 2y are the like terms. So we have to add these like terms. Now how? So there are also two arrangement. One is vertical arrangement and one is horizontal arrangement. So in exam, whatever you like, that is depend on you. You have to solve them. For example, examples are given. That is your choice. You have to solve by vertical arrangement or horizontal arrangement. Vertical method, horizontal method, or vertical arrangement, horizontal arrangement. Now vertical first. First we have to write 7x plus 5y. Then our question is addition, so addition sign, and 3x plus 2y. So 5 plus 2, 7y, plus 7 plus 3, 10x. This is the answer. Now students, here now we will see the horizontal arrangement. In the horizontal arrangement, just same way to take the like terms together. Now see, same example now is equal to first this step example, then which are the like terms, 7x and 3x. So 7x plus 3x plus, because here we do the plus n, we are solving the examples of addition. Operation is here addition operation. Now then next like terms, 5y plus 2y. 5y plus 2y. See students carefully. Now we will solve more example. Here minus sign is there, here plus sign is there. So be alert. Here in front of 5y plus sign is there. So here always plus sign, and then plus 2y. Whatever the signs are given, that you have to write. Okay, now we'll see the second example. Now I have to add this 7x plus 3x, that is 10x plus 5y plus 2y, 7y. So we got the answer 10x plus 7y. Now students, we'll see the next example. Again, vertical arrangement. First write like terms 8x square y plus 7y square. Then here students 5xc, 8x x square y. So these are the like terms. So plus sign don't forget to give, because we are solving additions example. So 5x square y plus, sorry, here minus sign is given, so minus 2y square. Now here students, addition is given, we have to do the addition, but whatever the signs are given, according to this we have to solve now. See, look here, plus minus, we know plus minus minus. So here 7y square minus 2y, only we have to deal with this coefficient. So 7 minus 2y, that is, sorry, 7 minus 2, 5, and y square as it is we have to write one time y square. And now here students, plus 7 and minus, then here I told you the rules before also, plus minus minus, then whatever the bigger number signs we have to give. So here this one having plus sign, 7 is a bigger number, so plus. Now here we will solve this one. You can solve from this side also, from it. I'll start here. You can solve here from the first term also. 8 plus 5. Here 13. 8 and 5. This coefficient we have to add. Then 13 x square y. So we got the answer 13x square plus 5y square. This is vertical arrangement. Now we will solve horizontal arrangement. Now as horizontal arrangement and vertical arrangement, I told you, you will have to take like terms. So like terms, first take and put bracket. Okay, this is very important. 8x square y, then 5x square y. In front of 5 there is no sign, means there is always plus sign. So plus 5x square y, then plus sign because we are doing addition, plus sign again 7y square minus 2y square, y square like terms, so minus 2y square. Here minus sign is given, so we have to write minus sign minus 2y square. So 8 plus 5, that is 13x square y plus 7 minus 2y square, that is 5y square. Okay, so these are the examples, not from the textbook. What is it? Practice set number 33. These are the different examples, but same type of examples are in practice set 33. So one thing students, what you have to do when you are solving the example in the notebook, that time first write this example also and then solve the examples from the practice set 33. These examples plus how many examples are there? 6 examples are there. So that 6 examples also you have to write. Okay, now we'll see the different type of examples. Now the next example student, here the example is 12a square minus 11b square plus 5a square minus 7b square. If you see carefully here, in both brackets there are minus sign, but we have to do the addition. Okay, now first vertical arrangement. As I told you, first we have to write the like terms. Like terms 12a square and 11b square plus 5a square minus 7b square. See students, while writing also you have to take care that how I write here, unit place, 10 place, unit place, this way also you have to write. Okay, some students are write 5 there because 5 is one digit number and 12 is two digit number, so that precaution you have to take. Now here students, first 12 plus 5, so here 17 a square. Now minus minus plus, minus minus plus, so 11 plus 7 18 b square, and which sign we have to give here? See, I told you bigger number sign, minus minus plus, but we have to do the bigger number sign. So here 11 is a bigger number having which sign? Minus sign. So give minus sign. Only in algebraic expression, if you take this care of these signs, then there are no problem. Very simple algebraic expression. In 8th standard also you have algebraic expression. So these things you have to keep in mind. Minus minus plus, okay, 18, but what is the bigger number sign? Minus, bigger number is 11, so we have to give the sign. Now horizontal arrangement, horizontal method. As I told you, I have to write the like terms. Now first the bracket 12a square, here nothing is plus and plus, 5a square plus minus 11 b square minus 7 b square. Now see students, here this is very important, plus because we are doing addition of these two terms. So like terms 12a square plus 5a, 5 having no sign means plus sign is there. Okay, so this one bracket and plus means here we are doing addition, and then whatever the signs are given in front of 11 minus sign, so minus sign is there, minus 11b square, and in front of 7b square there is minus sign, so that we have to write as it is, no change, and don't modify these expressions. Okay, otherwise your expressions, face expression will be changed and you will get the 0 mark obviously. Now 12a square plus 5a square, that is 17a square. Now here students, very important, look here, minus minus plus, 11 plus 7 18 b square. Now minus, here what we got here, minus minus plus, but bigger number sign is minus. Okay, this minus sign and plus sign, plus minus we know minus, so here you have to give the minus sign. This is very important. Here bigger number sign minus, and here plus, plus minus minus, so this is the answer. I hope you understood this. Now we'll move to the next type of example. Here see students, 1 2 3 1 2, okay, 3 terms, 2 terms here. Now vertical arrangement, first minus 3b square, so write minus 3b square plus 10c minus 16. Now like terms we have to write 7b square, so 7b square we have to write here 7b square, then plus 8, no c is there, so plus 8, 16, here no variable, only coefficient is given, so we have to write 8, 8 is also it is only one coefficient, so we have to write plus 8, plus 8. Okay, now that 10c, let it be. Now I do the addition, so don't forget to give addition sign. Mostly students forget this sign. Now these are the additions, this practice depends on addition, so addition, subtraction also, this subtraction signs you are missing, so don't miss that. Now minus 3b square and 7b square. So minus and 7 having plus sign. So minus plus minus. So we got answer 7 minus 3, 4 b square. Now see students, minus plus minus. But here we have to give the bigger number sign. Bigger number is 7. 7 having no sign means plus sign. So plus 4b square. Can you use the plus sign? If not, then also no problem. So plus 4b square. Then 10c alone. No like terms. So as it is, we have to write 10c. Now here minus plus. Minus plus minus. Okay. So 16 minus 8. 8. But bigger number sign. Here 16 having minus sign. It is a bigger number. So we have to give the bigger number sign, that is minus. So we got answer 4b square plus 10c minus 8. Now horizontal arrangement equal to, we have to write what is the minus 3b square. Then here like terms we have to write, then plus 7b, because no sign means plus sign 7b square, plus 10c having alone no like term, so we'll keep the 10c in Kurada bracket alone, 10c. Then this minus 16 and plus 8. So plus, we have to do addition, that's why minus 16 plus 8. Students, if you not give this bracket also, then also no problem. If you remove the brackets in all examples, then also no problem. But it's look good when we are means there is no confusion. Many times while solving in a hurry in exam, that time you will do mistake. So this is good thing to give the brackets. If not, then also no problem. Now we will solve this. Minus 3b square plus 7b square, that is minus plus minus 4b square, bigger number 7, so plus 4b square. 10c is alone, so 10c, and then here minus plus minus, that is minus 16 plus 8, that is 8, and bigger number 16 having minus sign, so u, and again plus minus minus. Plus minus minus, bigger number having 16 having minus sign, plus minus minus, so minus 8. This is the final answer. I try to complete all the types of example that is given in practice set number 33. So 33, yes, correct, 33. So students, what you have to do, these 4 examples plus 6 examples, all you have to write this example and solve 6 examples. Still you have any problem, then message me on my WhatsApp number. Don't message in the YouTube what is the comment box. I cannot explain. Okay. Still there students, take care, bye bye, and complete your notebook update. Means the same day you have to solve that, because what happened many times at last some scientists are there, brilliant students, the pending ones, and then incomplete notebooks, and then again problem. They are copying, cheating someone's PDF they are taking and sending. Okay, they are making the teachers fool. Teachers are beautiful. Okay, don't make us fool. So students, daily you have to do the work. Whatever you got the video, same day try to solve. Same day the examples. Fresh mind, you have the idea, then you can solve that. Okay. So every day, whenever you got this video, same day, whatever the examples, the practice set, whatever I told you, same day you have to complete your work. Okay, like a good students, and I know you are my good students. Till there students, take care, bye bye.